Today we're learning how to tie a figure 8 on a bight. First, make a bight or a bend of rope. Make a loop with your bight. Pass the bight behind your standing end, and then stick your bight through the loop and pull it tight. It should look something like this. Now this has some built-in weaknesses. You want to look for anywhere the rope crosses, like this. We have one spot here and kind of one spot over here. When you put a load on this knot, these crosses can actually damage the inside of the rope. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this loop around behind and remove the slack so that the whole way around we have parallel lines of rope. The figure 8 on a bight is a standard way to quickly tie a secure loop for rock climbing or technical rope rescue. Follow for more.